T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go USS F-36.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
MOD chamber pressure is nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center. Now, in just a few moments, we'll begin to throttle down those engines on that Stage 1 vehicle that you see on your screen in preparation for Max
Falcon 9
Q.
power and telemetry are nominal.
Good nominal call out. Max Q is the maximum, that's a critical moment during flight because the combined stresses caused by Falcon 9 accelerating through the atmosphere
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
and the ambient static pressure are at its greatest.